The compound pant is remarkably understated, considering the added level of abrasion resistance offered by its durable hybrid leather, textile construction, and removable CE knee impact protectors. Offered in both a high-tenacity nylon and a mesh version, the compound pant is designed to be used as an overpant, fitting comfortably over your street denim. The chassis is constructed of 1.2 to 1.4 millimeter cowhide in all of the major impact areas for increased durability. The rest of the chassis is constructed of a high tenacity nylon, both for reduced weight and ease of movement. The mesh version replaces the nylon panels for Icon's abrasion-resistant fighter mesh for incredible airflow. Dual full-length side zippers make the on-off process quick and easy. If you are running the streets in your mall-bought jeans, we suggest you up your game with the compound.